Hello, it's Victor the Dash. Hope you're having a great day. Today I want to talk about the fact that there are many different ways of making money online. A lot of people try to do one way of making money online, and when they have trouble with it and they don't succeed in it, they tend to give up. They figure there's no way to make money online. But realize there are many different ways of making money online. You can try something like multi-level marketing or affiliate marketing. You can do e-commerce. You can do blogging. You can do cryptocurrency. You can do YouTube videos. There are many different ways of making money. You can go on YouTube and find many different lists of ways you can make money online, and realize new ways of making money online are happening every week, every month. They'll keep coming up, and maybe one market is hot for a few months and then maybe it dies down, but then something else will pop up. And that's the great thing about working online, because there are many different ways that are invented of making money online. Think about it, 10 years ago, how many people made money online? Not that many. Most people did not work online. Facebook was just born, and very few people use Facebook for business. Now people are all over Facebook on business. People use Twitter, people use Pinterest, and so many other social media, Snapchat. And then many different apps that are being created right now. There are a lot of apps you can use to make money. You get people to join on those apps, or you just go spend some money and you get paid for shopping. You can just Google these apps or watch YouTube videos on these apps that can help you make some extra money on home. So realize there are many different ways to make money from home. Don't ever give up. Keep pushing, keep persevering, and if you do that, you'll be successful. Those are my tips for today. I hope you got a lot of value. This is Victor the Dodge signing off. Have a wonderful day.